Hello, I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we have
Annie Wu with EverFocus Electronics.
And we have, you guys put out this HD DVR. What is the point of the HD nowadays? I mean, I know what it is with the television. Of course, I have it at home with sports, but for security camera applications?
Details.
Details.
You're recording at 720p or 1080p resolution. So when you zoom in, you can see a lot more details because you're starting out with such a high, huge resolution from the beginning. So that's what you're going to get, and that's what you're going to see.
Okay, so details. I know we've sold some of these to typically retail establishments, and from what they've told me is they've been pointing the cameras over the cashier. I guess the money, of course, you got to keep an eye with shoplifting. Is there any other locations that this might be good for?
I would say probably at banks. You know, you definitely want to see who's handling the money, making sure they're giving the exact amount.
Okay.
Probably another location like casinos. You definitely want to make sure people are not, slipping out and let a car in, things like that. So that would probably be the two. And just basically anybody that really wants a good, high quality image for their CCTV.
Okay, so details, HD, a comparison to the analog. I noticed you have 4 analog here and 4 HD.
That's correct.
What if a customer wants more HD ports, more HD cameras than the typical 4 that you have with this unit?
We do also have a full HD DVR that's 8 channels. It's going to give you all 8 HD input.
Okay.
So this is really just a transitional for somebody, or if you're budget conscious, but you still need certain areas to have high resolution, for example, your cash registers. That's when you can put in 4 cameras only for your cash registers, so you can catch, the high resolution of what's going on and monitor to make sure employees are giving out the exact right change. And then they can still keep their existing 4 analog cameras as well for other areas.
Okay, so if you want all your cameras to be HD, you have another DVR with all that available. Or if you only need it in a couple spots, you can save some dough, get this unit here, and that'll take care of your needs. What about viewing over the internet?
All of our DVR are networkable. All you're doing is getting a Cat5, plugging into the port, and then also putting the other end to your router. So by default, it's going to automatically pick up your IP address from your LAN network.
Okay. And lately, it seems like the hottest thing to do with these DVRs is view it over your mobile phone. Is that something this can do also?
Definitely. As long as you have your DVR networked, you'll be able to view it on your cell phone. Just download our free mobile focus application for iPhone users, Android users, BlackBerry. And when you after you download the application, just go to your add device and put all the information of your IP address for your DVR, and you're good to go.
All right, cool. So if you're looking for something with more detailed viewing, cash transaction, maybe there's a safe, or you really want to nitpick the details, the HD DVR is the solution for you. You can order all this stuff online. If you have any questions, call EverFocus, or you can call us at 888-797-3697.